Right, this is Alex Merced with another video on learning Clojure. So let me just delete all this. I want to talk about today's vectors. So instead of an array, they call it a vector. So a vector is just a sequence of square brackets and different pieces of data. So let's say I actually want to put it in a variable. So we'll say parentheses def my vector, and my vector will equal 2, 3, 4. Okay, there's my vector. Okay, now if I say I want to print line my vector, let's see what happens. Okay, so there's my vector is printed. Cool. Okay. Now what if I just want to get a particular version or particular item in the vector? I can use the command get. So I want to get my vector. I think these are curly braces. Let's find out. Vector 1. Okay. No. I just think there really is any use of brackets so often inside. So in that case, my vector 1. So let's run that again. And there we go. So here we see that it returns 3, because basically my vector 1, which would be the second item, is 3, because again it's 0, 1, 2. It's just the way vectors or arrays are counted in programming languages. Okay, I could also count how many items are in my vector. Count my vector. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3 items in my vector. Cool. And then I can use the different items to do, so it's just another way of storing data. And then you can add them, subtract them, do operations on them, use them in functions and whatnot. They are immutable. Okay, so basically now that 2, 3, 4 is my vector, that'll always be my vector. I can do functions on it, and then those functions will return a value, but that value is not it's not the original vector. The original vector remains unchanged. So keep that in mind. The whole idea of immutability, mutability. This is functional programming, so generally everything's immutable. Can't change it. Okay, well that's it for a vector. I'll see you guys in the next video.